10 items you need for a passive income. Today I'm going to show you how you can get a passive income, but these 10 items I'm going to show you today you will need. Without these 10 items, I'm afraid you won't be able to earn any money at all online. So if you want to earn a passive income, then watch the rest of this video and learn from me. This is Mike from Your Successful Affiliate Influencer. As I said at the beginning of this video, 10 items you need for a passive income. Without these 10 items, you will never earn any money online. So as I say, you need 10 items which are so very specific to you. Now the first one, which should be obvious to you, is your product. In other words, the niche that you're going to sell in. Now, my product, or my niche, should I say, is what I make money online through selling a digital product. This is entirely up to you which you want to do. You need to learn about your niche and to know what you're talking about. Otherwise, people will realize that you have not got a clue what you're on about and they will not buy from you. So as I say, you need to learn about your niche and then you can start to sell online. Now then, number 2, you need a landing page. Let's rub that a minute. Number 2, landing page. This is where people go to find, like if you've got a free ebook, etc., and then you also send them a link to the product you are actually or you are trying to sell. Now, some people do a website. Yes, you can do a website, but there's 2 things you've got to remember here. First of all, if you do a website, websites cost you money to get them made. Another thing you have to watch with a website, depending on which company you do, a lot of website people will not allow you to do or to make money online. So you need to check with the website people if you can do it with them. Now, it's the same with landing pages. There's a lot of landing page companies out there who will not touch making money online. The one I use is GetResponse. Or another one is Aweber. You will find a link down below for in fact, for everything I'm going to tell you today, for all the different products. But I use GetResponse. Now, there are some free landing pages out there. One in particular is MailChimp. Again, you use MailChimp and they will shut you down straight away. You have to check with whichever landing page company you are going to use to make sure they would use you for making money online. Because as I say, a vast majority of them out there will not touch you. So be warned on that. Okay? Now then, you've got a landing page. The next thing you need is number 3, emails. When you have a landing page, now people come to that landing page and then you will send them that link to the product that you want. Now then, most people will not buy from you straight away. So you need to create a funnel with emails so that as each email goes out to that customer or the customer you're trying to hook, should I say, they will take they can take from 6 to 10 emails before people will actually buy from you. So you can do this, as I say, if we go back to number 2, GetResponse, you can do follow-up emails in GetResponse. Everything there is laid out for you. So you don't have to make anything up at all. Other than when I say don't have to make up on your landing page, you will have pages already written out, and all you have to do is just change the wording on them. Follow-up emails, well then you have to do your own emails. Now then, this is where we go to number 4. Number 4, emails again. But if you want to say, I don't know how to write out an email, well, there's a very, very easy way to do this. There is a company called Email Ramp. Again, you will find a link down below, which have emails already written out. It's a small cost to actually belong to Email Ramp. I think in fact, it's just a one-off cost. Then you can go into the email ramp, which is emailramp.com. And with Email Ramp, you will have all different categories from which you can pick emails out from. So this is a product I do thoroughly recommend. It's helped me a lot. I must admit, because when I first started out, I wondered how the heck what do I put in an email? Now this is what I use, and I just copied and pasted them into my get response email follow-up funnel. Now you can, once you've copied and pasted it, you can also obviously change some of the wording to actually suit you if you wish to. But as I say, this is a great way of getting emails, so I do thoroughly recommend that. Right, the next, number 5 is YouTube channel you need. You need to create yourself a YouTube channel, which is extremely easy to do. What I do recommend is that you probably, if you actually go into YouTube itself and just put how to create a YouTube channel, you will get videos come up to tell you exactly how to do it. It's so easy to do, and you can create numerous channels. Don't think, especially if you're going to do more than one subject or product you're going to sell. It's easy to add channel after channel after channel. It's so easy to do. I'm no tech person, and I can do it. And if I can do it, I'm sure you can do it also as well. I'm 100% sure on that. Right, we will follow on now. Number 6. Number 6 is, how are you going to record your YouTube channels? Now then, is it going to be a camera? Or are you going to use your laptop? Now then, I use my laptop should say. It's so very easy to use. I got two programs I use on my laptop, which is what I'm recording from now actually as well. I use Screenomatic to record my videos on. So very simple to use. It's unbelievable. There's no tech you need to know for using Screenomatic. You just put it on, you just click, and then just click the recording. And if you make a mistake, you can delete it and start again. Or you can, if you want to, at a later date, actually edit it. Now for my editing, I use Filmora, another program which all on my laptop, and it's so very easy to do and unbelievable. No tech knowledge needs you don't need any any tech knowledge whatsoever. It's so easy to do, and I will thoroughly recommend you to do this. And I know so many people in this industry use these two websites. Now, I must admit, with Screen-O-Matic, you can actually do your editing in there as well if you wish to, but I must admit, I find it's much easier to do my editing in Filmora, which you will find a link down below for Filmora also, and for Screen-O-Matic. It's so very easy to use. So I do thoroughly recommend that. And you see, you're looking at me now, it's a good quality. It's not easy. You don't have to spend thousands and thousands of pounds on a camera. As I say, it's up there and it's on my screen and it's so very easy to use. Right, number 7, what you require. Canva. Again, I will show you, there's a link down below, Canva. You need a good thumbnail when you actually put up your YouTube video, and you can make thumbnails on Canva for free. Now, there are some items there they will try and get you to upgrade to actually pay. You don't need to do that. It's very easy to do on that. You can actually use some of their photos within their website, or you can load up a photo of yourself or any other picture where you can put that in. Then you just put your titles, etc. in, and it's very easy to use. I can assure you. And a thumbnail is so very important when you put up a video on YouTube, because this is what people see. And the better the thumbnail is, the more likely you are to get an actual view in. So as I say, Canva for your thumbnail. Right, we're going to number 8. And we'll still leave the word Canva up there, because when you're trying to hook a customer, first thing you need is a free ebook. Now on Canva again, you can make a free ebook on Canva. No cost to you whatsoever. As I say again, so easy to do. You just pick out a picture there on Canva, or again, you can download your own photo again if you wish to. Then you create your pages down below. Then you can copy and paste whatever you want to put into your email or into your ebook. Sorry, should I say? Or you can actually write it out word for word on there. That obviously totally depends on you. But as I say, you can create a free ebook, and you need a free ebook to be able to hook people, because a lot of people, if there's nothing free there, they would just bypass you. I can assure you that. So create yourself a free ebook, and as I say, you can do that on Canva. You will find again link down below for Canva. Okay, we go on to number 9. Keywords. And tags. Now then, keywords and tags, they are so important when you are doing YouTube. Now then, you're going to say, how do I find out my keywords and my tags? Well, there is an easy way of doing this. If you go onto other people's channels, you can see their keywords and you can see their tags there to actually find out what words they are actually putting up. It must relate to the actual video you are putting up. So every time you put a video up, if you change the subject, then you need to change your keywords and you need to change your tags for your video. Because if you don't, and you're talking about, like we talk about passive income on this video, sorry, should I say. We're talking about passive income or earn money online. Now, if you've got those words within your video, and then they're in your tags and they're in your keywords, YouTube will pick that up. If you put tags on your within your YouTube video and no words within your video actually say any of those tags at all, then YouTube will not pick you up, which is owned by Google. And as I say, Google will actually pick you up. So remember that. You need your keywords and tags to fit your YouTube channel. So very important, I can assure you. Okay, so be prepared to do some channeling and find these tag words which will suit your video. Right, number 10, the last very one of all, which is very important as well. Number 10, brand yourself. You need a brand which people will know you by. Now, my brand is Your Successful Affiliate Influencer. Now, I know nobody else has got this because I have actually branded myself through going on to GoDaddy, which is a website where you can actually buy where you can buy website names. Now, you're saying that I told you not to bother with a website, but what I am telling you to do, if you go to GoDaddy and you put in a name and you'll find somebody who's got that for a website, well then don't touch it. You need to put names in to find a brand name which will suit you, but nobody else has bought it. And you want .com, not, I'm in the UK. But you don't want .uk or .org or any other branding name. You want your brand name plus .com, and then buy it. I tell you, buy it, because then you can actually keep that name, and then nobody else, because everybody else will do the same thing. You must remember that. You don't necessarily, as I say, you don't have to go and make a website with that name, but buy it. And then you can brand yourself with that name. I hope what I've been telling you helps you to be able to make a passive income online, because you need all these 10 items to be able to do it. Without these 10 items, you won't get anywhere. So please, please, please follow all these items I told you. As I said below, you will find all these items below which you need which you need to be able to create a channel and to be able to make a passive income for life and earn money online. Right, before I go, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please click the subscribe button below. Then click the little bell next to the subscribe button for notifications for when my next video comes out. This is Mike from Your Successful Affiliate Influencer, signing off.